Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. So in today's video, I will just be showing you some uh random stuff that happened this week. I made a lot of Bakhoor. I got a lot of order. I celebrated my birthday last 2 weeks, and then I'm sorry guys, I didn't drop a video for you last week. I have been so busy with school and production and a lot of things has been going on, and we started our classes, so I was preparing for my class. So that product you see there is for one person. This is another product. I've been going to and fro the courier office, that's DHL, and those motor parks. So I came to the market after making some bakur. I ran out of some oil perfumes. I came to the market to shop some oils. Those two oils I showed you, those oils are like amazing. This is another gem which I got for my students and also like a customer. uh, I came to get some woods, and then this is how we get our woods to form the like to become chips. These woods come in log. Yes, they come in the way they come, like in a tree form, like as a branch. I hope you understand. So then when it gets to the market here, uh they cut it into smaller logs. Then we have these young boys that turn it into like chips. So after going for the woods, I came back. I was just shopping and looking for oil perfumes that I will be using. So after doing that, and guys, our Monday market that got burnt, the shops, they have started renovating the shops, and people are going back into their shops. So now we can get these oil perfumes that have run out, or like that we can't find. So I came home, made some bakhoor, made some TikTok videos that I will post, and just videos that I will be posting. So these are the bakhoors that I made. I sorry, some of them I made the halud like a very long time ago. It has been curing, and the white sandal, then the hawi. What I made is the onicha and the kajiji balls and the khumras, but the remaining bakhoors I've made them for like a very long time. I made this oil khumra too, which has amazing traditional unique Arabian scent. And then guys, this is me struggling to get pictures. Like this, it's so difficult to get amazing pictures. You see these pictures you're seeing here? I really tried so hard to get the pictures. So after a day, I still went back to the market to shop some jars to store some of the bakul I made. I did not get a lot when I went the last time. I got just like 3 dozen of jars, but then I ran out of jars, and then I got a very special order all the way from USA. And this my friend, my customer, ordered like a lot of items, like a lot. So I needed to stock up the jars, the humra bottles, just everything that I'll be using for this special order. And then some of the items she ordered, I've stopped making them, but then I made them for her. And then I made this video. I make videos every day. Make just like videos that I'll post on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. But then lately I have not been posting on Instagram because I am having problem. I cannot log in Instagram with my phone, so I need to change my phone before I can continue using Instagram. But for now, I'm using another phone. I'm using my sister's phone to log in Instagram from time to time. That's why I've not been active on Instagram. So after I came home and I made some Kindikai, Bakhoor, that's wardrobe balls, which we also know as sandal balls. In making your sandal balls, make sure your sandal powder is a very good sandal powder, and make sure you are using like a nice strong, long lasting ingredients so that the result will come out great, will come out amazing. You can use the sandal bakul balls, you can turn it, just add it to a foil paper and call it wardrobe balls. You can add some special ingredients into it that you can use to just steam the body, which is like the dukkan for the body, that's body sauna. So after adding my sandal powder into my jar, I made some sugar caramel. I like making my sandal powder on the like I like making my sandal bakul balls on the ground, like not on the fire. So this is my onicha. This is a very old dufra bakul. I just want to show you guys. This bottle is old. This is my grandmother's bottle. Like I love this bottle so much. You can get this in the market. I've searched for this, but I don't know if anybody knows where I can get this kind of bottle. Just let me know. But then this is old. So I'm showing you guys, those people that don't know the onicha. That's onicha. I got this onicha because I just wanted to save myself some stress, and I trust the person selling this onicha so much because I know the person selling this onicha. It's pure, it's good, and then I'm adding this onicha to the bakhoor, to the sandal powder. Yeah, if you want your sandal bakul balls to have a very strong, long lasting scent, make sure you use a lot of onicha and moss crystals. If you want the a scent that when somebody is coming close to your house they're going to perceive, then you need to add moss crystals and onicha. So, and for those of you that ask how do I measure my oils, that you just see that I pour the oils. No, this is something I've been doing for a very long time, so I know the quantity of oil I need for a bahur. So, but then if you want to be accurate, accuracy is good. I have this I have I have some tools and some, would I say equipment? Yes, tools that I use in measuring some of these items, but mostly I don't use them. But from time to time I use them. So I used 20, this syringe. Yes, syringe is 20 ml. So I used 20 ml of the Nalbanat. The first time I added 20 ml, and then I mixed the Nalbanat very well. Make sure you mix your the Nalbanat, mix and mix so that the ingredients will go into the oils will go into the sandal bakur powder. And this is my second oil perfume. I'm adding my That's the second oil I use, which is called the Mizian. It is so amazing. I use other oil perfumes, which are like my signature oil perfumes. When you're making your bakur, especially if you're selling your bakur, you want to have your signature, your unique scent. Make sure you have like oils that I use. Then I use this amazing Nada, my favorite musician. So I use her oils. Then that's the bakur. At the end of the day, I divided it into two, and then these are just pictures of my students' work. This is my students' work. My student is so serious, especially this one. Like I'm so surprised. Like she made some items very fast. Then this is another student, and this student is giving me joy. Like I love the way she is doing her practicals, and most of these students, like, they got the items from me. I source original authentic items for them. This is another student's work. This is my students cutting bakur. At the beginning you see another student cutting bakur. I can share their contacts for you if you want to purchase this from them. This is another student's work. This student is so hardworking too. And then this is my student's work. I am super proud of this student because uh we just did the class, and after some days she just made this go away bahur. This is one serious student that I have. She is so amazing. Like the products, photography, videography that she sent to me, like I open my eye and say wow. My students are more, they are not joking. This is another student's work. Like this one is so good, so amazing. Like my dear, if you join our classes, my classes, especially Turarenwuta advanced class, you will never go wrong. So I celebrated my birthday that same week, and then this is me just vibing to one of my favorite songs. I came to do my makeup at my friend's place, and then uh after the birthday, this is my friend. My friend took me out to this new beautiful place that just opened in Maiduguri, which is called like Bima Cafe. Their food is amazing, 100%. But then you are going to wait for a very long time before you get your food. I was so hungry that day. My food came late. This is me. This is me. This is me at the place, and then this is me and my friend. Like we waited for a very long time for our food to come. We got, I think we got fries and just some drinks. Yes, so that's how I celebrated the birthday. Their food is so amazing, it's so delicious. We love the food, we love the drinks. We got this mocktail, and then we got milkshake too. The loaded fry is so fulfilling, like you will be very full after taking it. So this is another student's work. She made her lecture using shea butter, and then this is another student's humra perfume, and then this is one of my students from the private classes work. She made her sarkatani, which is called the hawi. This is another student from the batch I think Bajidi class. Yeah, so I made this beautiful product. I will be teaching the recipe in my coming videos, and then it's going to be for like my YouTube subscribers, not for only my students. My YouTube subscribers, you are going to like get this video. I made another product, and then this is lead the nude. I stopped making lead the nude, the French lead the nude. I was making the body milk humra, but then this lead the nude is different from the body milk. The lead the nude is very strong, highly seductive, and I made other bakhoors. I made sandal coils same day, and then this is moss at tahara. I packaged some moss at tahara that I will be reselling, and then I took pictures of my sandalia humra, which I used red sandal to make, and sandal powder, and then my do food humra. So this is just it, and this is how my week went. I also made this humra, which I'll be keeping to cure for like 1 year before I use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase anything you see in this video, you can send a DM. My number is on the screen. I'll be glad to send this amazing product to you for a token. See you in my next one. Bye.